So we look at in temples, in old temples, you have art in which you have a circle and you have all these petals, and you may have something like 13 petals. So the question is, how did they come about this? How did they create the 13 petals? Of course, for all of this, what they used to use are ropes, right? So they had a way in which they can put a rope or a rajju or sulpa to go all around the circle, and so they had this length that they could roll out as the perimeter of the circle. And if they had a fixed scale, they could put at a side, and they have fixed lengths. So this is not related to the length that I want. Which has a full length. So this is, let's say, 13 of them. So one thing they were able to do is to draw parallel lines. So if you could connect this end to this end, you could get parallel segments. And each of these parallel segments would then divide this line, no matter what the length of this is. Right? If the length of this was something else, because of the idea of similar triangles which we have looked at, right? All these would be equally distant. And you can create the perimeter that you want. The perimeter you want, you can cut it into 13 parts. So it doesn't matter what this scale is with, right? So even if you had a scale, let's say that was like this. Even then, when you draw parallel lines, okay, I missed it, but anyway, when you draw parallel lines, you will end up getting the same lengths. So you can actually get fairly accurate lengths if these are big and wide, and then you can easily get, even for a short length, very accurate spacing. So this is how they spaced apart, or what we understand, by using the rope as well as the simple idea of similar triangles. This is our guess on how they did it.